So just taking a quick cheeky look at Soon on the daily time frame here. As we can see, had a nice rally over the past few days and now just retracing to backtest that break to the upside. As we can see on the charts here, we've had a really good pickup off the lows that we talked about ad nauseum over the past month or so. You can see just consolidating, going sideways here for Soon. We came down, backtested these lows after breaking down from this coiling pattern here. And then since then we put in a little bit of a range, haven't we? You can see looking something like this really, where we came down, bouncing up and down in between these two levels, anywhere from around that 1 cent level up to around 1.5 cents. And then as you can see last week, we came up here and broke above this level, and now looking like we might be back testing that break to the upside there as well. Really good to see. Obviously the low market cap for Soon means the price action can be a little bit janky and a little bit crazy in places, but overall Soon looking really strong. And I do think that this is a crypto that's going to do extremely well going into the next bull market. The narrative is really strong as well. You can see we've come down, we've settled down on our RSI, we're just consolidating, have a little chill, and altcoin season is hitting now. Obviously Soon being a super micro cap at like $1 million market cap right now, probably not going to be having a huge, oh my god, what is going on with my throat today? Honestly, I have such ridiculously bad problems with my throat. So yeah, being with such a low market cap, we can have a decent amount of volatility and also a decent amount of, you know, chopping up and down in the price action quite quickly. But overall, I think this is shaping up really nicely. You can see obviously we broke out and back tested this descending resistance here as well. And really, if you look at this, I think overall we're really gearing up for a nice move here. You could say as well, we've actually started to create this larger coiling accumulation, maybe looking something like this. I'm going to get rid of these previous marks now, because obviously we've been through that. So if we're just marking this out from the candles, you can see looking like we might be coiling up in another motion like this. Obviously if we did come up and start to break above this resistance and head up here, I think we'd be heading up towards the all-time high pretty sharpish. 20 cents obviously the all-time high up here when they launched and had a huge sell-off, just a continuous sell-off all the way down. But right now this is really shaping up very nicely. Perfect time as well going into the halving in the bull market. Very exciting times indeed. I've got a very nice bag of this myself as a disclaimer, and I'm going to be holding this probably up towards $1, which would be about 150, anywhere between 100 $200 million market cap, depending on how much of the supply is burned by then. They're burning the supply all the time. Very bullish indeed. Things shaping up super nice. I'm very excited to see what happens next, so let's get it.